Welcome to Infoborders introductory videos. This video will explain what is Infoborders and how can it help your organization gain visibility into supply chain processes. Every year, more and more business is conducted electronically. The set of electronic transactions continues to expand, and at the same time, business rules associated with these business processes continues to become more complex. Today, 20 to 25% of transactions exchanged electronically contain some sort of syntax or business errors. These errors delay processing and affect customer service, cash flow, and profits. In fact, from the financial impact, accounts receivables days sales open, for example, are twice as long for transactions with errors than they are for transactions that are error-free. In some industries, like the retail industry, these errors cause fines. An average 500 million vendor in the retail industry can expect up to 6 million in deductions each year. The errors affecting businesses can be broken into 4 categories: mapping or structural errors, data integrity, process mismatch, and timing. The first type of error is best understood by IT. This type of errors occur when B2B transactions are not structured correctly. An example of a structural error will be a missing carton details in the ASN. Data integrity errors occur when transactions is properly structured, but some data does not match the mutually agreed value. For example, a shipment document with an invalid carrier code. Process mismatch errors occur when information is on related documents does not match. For example, quantity shipped does not match what the quantity that was billed, or the PO number is not valid on the ASN. Finally, the timing and execution errors occur when transaction is missing or is late. For example, goods arrive to the warehouse, but the advance ship notice is late. Unfortunately, today, B2B systems, by their design, can only successfully track and manage mapping types of errors, which usually account only for a small percent of the overall number of errors. Managing the issues and errors we are just discussing is complicated for the following reasons. B2B process rules could be very different for different partners and are managed in different locations in the enterprise, creating redundancy and lack of coordination. Errors and rework create a situation where there is no single source of them. Processes and partner performance is hard to measure. Many issues are identified too late and result in loss of profit. Without a clear understanding of all the issues and current impact, makes focusing and prioritizing resources a challenge. Today, we would like to introduce you to Infoborders. This product was created at the request of several visionary CEOs and CFOs who wanted to address the B2B challenges we discuss in this presentation. Today, Infoborders extends supply chain visibility across your entire trading network. It works well and complements ERP and B2B applications investment you already have made and extends supply chain visibility outside the enterprise and across your trading network. Infoborders begins by providing a repository of business rules. These rules are then used to monitor B2B processes and identifying potential errors. And unlike the monitoring provided by the existing B2B systems, it can monitor for all 4 types of errors we discussed earlier. When exception or error do occur, Infoborders makes it easier to react to them and provide a number of tools to do research and identify the root cause. Performance scorecards help understand trends and measure performance by transaction, issue, or trading partner. Let's take a look at how this would work in your environment. Today, your organization already exchanges B2B transactions with your trading partners. B2B transactions flow from your backend application into the B2B system integration. and from there, they are sent out to trading partners. Trading partners can also send B2B transactions, which will flow to the B2B integration system, and from there to your backend application. Infoborders resides in the cloud and does not change the flow of B2B data. Instead, a copy of data is captured and transmitted to Infoborders from your B2B integration system. The data is analyzed in real time and is made available for consumption. Users from both your enterprise and, if desired, from your trading partner community can access this information or can subscribe to notification services for proactive notification. To summarize, Infoborders runs in the cloud, requires no initial investment, has limited IT involvement, and it provides immediate business benefits. Using a non-intrusive approach, Infoborders can deliver a number of benefits: real-time analysis of B2B data, warning of potential business problems, ability to share information with vendors in real time, and it is easily to customize. Here are some other benefits that can be provided by Infoborders. Infoborders can lower administrative costs for dispute resolution, provide higher customer satisfaction through fewer process failures, higher customer satisfaction by having the information available, lower invalid claims and deductions, lower cost of process failures, reduce order-to-cash cycle times and the amount of invoice write-offs, reduce stockouts, increase sales, reduce inventory carrying costs, and provide better scorecard. Thank you for your time, and we invite you to watch other Infoborders videos on YouTube.